What am I worried about every month? I'm worried about ensuring that I have tight blood glucose control with my type 1 diabetes to prevent any complications. I'm worried about diabetic emergencies that could occur whilst I'm with my family or whilst I'm at work. I worry about managing the stress associated with my work hours and balancing that with family responsibilities. I worry about dealing with the high stress environment associated with being an NHS prescribing pharmacist. I worry about struggling with managing household expenses and whether I'm making enough money for the month. I worry about managing and maintaining social connections and support networks, and ensuring that I have enough time to see my friends. I worry about finding time and energy to maintain a regular exercise routine to help manage my diabetes. I worry about saving enough financially for retirement, given current financial constraints. I worry about the risk of burnout from juggling work, health, and family demands. The last thing I am worried about with my life currently is whether or not AI is going to replace me as a pharmacist.